Dear viewers, do you know about Router app? The Router app is one of the most popular apps in India for predicting lottery numbers. The app gives money to the people who are ranked first in the leaderboard of the app. Router app is a social media prediction game platform where users earn money for every bet that they place. Yes, we will know how can you earn money from Router app. So watch the video till the end. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Earn money by watching videos. You can earn free money by watching videos every day. You have to watch videos daily in order to earn money. You can earn money by watching videos every 1 hour. To watch videos you have to open the Router app, and after that you will see the 3 dots on the left side on the home page. You have to click on those 3 dots. You have to click on the watch video and earn 30 coins below it. Friends, click on it as soon as on watching the video. You will get 30 coins and you can earn money by watching the video every 1 hour. Refer and earn. In this era, almost all people are using social media platforms to share their experiences with the world. But sometimes these social media platforms are not safe for your personal information. For instance, there are many people who use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to share their personal details with their friends. These people may not be aware that their personal details can be stolen by the hacker. For this security purpose, clicking on the 200 coins option, you will see a pop-up box where you have to enter your email address and the password. After you enter the email address and password, you will be asked to verify the email address. With the help of live stream. To live stream a game, all you need to do is download the Router app and set up your account. If you are new to the app, you will need to link your Paytm account with the app. You can also link your Paytm account with the app so that you can receive money on your Paytm account once you have streamed the game. You can also earn money by broadcasting your activities such as playing games. The Router app allows you to share your gameplay experience with the world and earn money for it. You will be able to share your game with the world and also earn money. So, today we know how can you earn money from Router app. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.